Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to demonstrate how we can do set up network administration using TACACS protocol in Cisco ISE. So I have one switch here and I already have Cisco ISE. TACACS is set up. What I'm going to do, I will create two user groups. One group will be view only and other with a full administration access. So I will give certain command access to view only user group, and I will give full access to my administrator group, but I will restrict write erase command so that admin user cannot do write erase on my switch. So let's start. I already have my configuration template here. All the configurations I have set up. So I will use this template to configure my switch first. So first of all, I will do AAA at new model. It will enable all the AAA related commands in my switch CLI. Next thing, I will set up my TACACS server. So what is important? TACACS server name, then IP address, and then key. And this key will be used also in when we add this switch into our Cisco ISE. Okay. So yes, this is done. So next thing is we have this authentication and authorization commands. This authentication, this means that all the authentication will request will go to this server group, which we have already created here. Enable request will also be authenticated by TACACS, and authorization, all the commands will be authorized by AAA, and authorization command execution will be through authorized or will be checked by ICE TACACS server. Okay. So all the privileges I set up 01715 for TACACS, and then accounting all the commands will be accounted by ICE. Okay. So I will copy and paste all these AAA commands here. Okay. Then last portion is under line VTY. I will tell that I trans my all my remote access, telnet or SSH traffic will be authenticated using this TACACS server which I have created, and authorization will also be done through TACACS server. So done. Now I will go to ICE. First of all, I will go to work center, device administration and network resources. Here I will add my switch test. IP of my switch is 9.14, 95.14, is not an IP set device. So here I have multiple option radius TACACS, so I will enable TACACS, and here I will put key, same key we used in such configurations. So copy this key and paste it here, then submit. Okay, so next thing I will go to policy elements, results, TACACS command set. So here I will define the command which I want to allow for my particular user group. So first I will create the command set for view only. For a view only user, I will allow format show VLAN and show. So that's it. Do show interface if It is already in use by already all the commands are authenticated by TACACS, so that's why it is not allowing me to run any command, no problem. So I will type it myself, show interface description. Okay, so only okay, there was space after show. So, so I allowed only two commands, show interface description and show VLAN, and then save. So my first command set is ready. Now I will create for admin access. So what I told you for admin, I will only deny write erase. Okay. The rest of the commands will be allowed. So how we can do it? Instead of typing all the commands, what we can do, we can put one deny command here and then pick this option. Permit any command that is not listed below. So everything is permitted apart from this command. Write erase. Okay. Then save. Next step, I will create a profile. Here I will define what level of privilege my users will get. Number one will be view only profile. So my default privilege level will be 7 and maximum privilege level will also be 7. Save. Now I will create for admin profile. So default will be 15 because it's my user with full access and maximum will be 15. Save. Now I have to create users. I already have created two users. So what I will do, I will make use of them. I will just create, remove them from the old groups. Groups we will create, new groups we will create. Save. So under user groups, which is identity groups, I am going to create my first group will be view only group and second will be admin access group. Okay, so view only group, I will add my user one and admin access group, I will add my user two. Okay, so let's go back. So you can say user one is part of view only group and user two will part of admin access group. Okay, so now last portion will create policies, authentication and authorization policies. I will go to work center, device administration and device admin policy set. So I'm going to use default TACACS policy. Under this policy, I will go to authentication. Authentication will be default and internal users. These are our internal user groups. In case if we are using Active Directory or some external radius, then we'll select external groups. Okay. So now I go to authorization policy. I will create my first authorization policy named view only authorization. Okay. The condition I want to match based on users. So I'll go to user, internal user, and I will select my group, V only group, and then use. Okay, now command set, I'll select view only and profile, view only profile. Then I create another authorization policy, admin access authorization. Same condition, but with different group. The group will be here is that admin access group and command set admin access and shell profile will be admin file. Okay, then save. Let me do one thing. I forgot the passwords for my user. I'll change the passwords. So password will be here. The other password I remember. So now what I do, I will do testing. So first I will test my view only user 95.14. View only user you can see is user 1. So I'll put user 1 and my password. You can see I got the access. So if I type configure T, it will not allow me because I have uh, access till privilege level 7. Okay. So let's see what commands I can run. Show VLAN. Yes. Show interface description. Authorization failed because I think I put wrong spelling. IP interface brief. So these commands are not available. Show interface. This command is not authorized because I think some problem with the uh, spellings. So what I will do, I will copy this command from here, go to my PC elements, results, command search, view only, edit this one, and I'll put it here. Okay. Now I will be able to run this command. There's some issue with the spelling. Show IP route, not allowed. Show VTP status. So no command is allowed. Only show VLAN and show interface description. Only two commands are allowed. If you see here in the command set for view only, what I added two commands. So first user is tested. So it will not also allow me to exit. So what I will do, I will add another command, permit, exit, right, and save. Now I can do exit. Got it? So let's test our second user 192.168.95.14. It's my user 2 password configure T IP interface VLAN 95 can do anything here. Show VLAN, show IP route, show MAC address table, all the commands I can run. But what I denied or discarded, show write erase. So you can see this command I'm not authorized to run. So that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.